So this is lesson 3, reactions for cantilever beams. We are going to do another exercise in order to determine the values of reactions, in this case for a cantilever beam. So let's say we have the cantilever beam, as you can see in the screen, with subjected to the same loads as we had for the simply supported beam. It is to say a distributed load, a uniform distributed load of 10 kN per meter from the beginning of the structure to the middle. A punctual load of 20 kN applied in the middle, and the fixed support is in the left extreme of the beam. Again, we remind the convention for displacements and rotations, and convention for the sign of the forces and the moments. We are going to define a point A where we have located the fixed support, and in that point we are going to try to guess what type of reaction we are going to have in these fixed supports. And because the nature of the fixed support, we expect to have an horizontal reaction, a vertical reaction, and a reaction as a moment. As I said before, for the simply supported beam, for the cantilever beam, what happened is we don't know the value or the directions of these reactions a priori, but we need to decide in order to have a first guess and to write equations. I choose to have a positive horizontal reaction, a positive vertical reaction, and a negative moment as a reaction at the fixed support in this particular exercise, because based on my experience and in my intuition, I think this will be the right sign for the reaction. We are going to use the equilibrium, the equation of equilibriums to resolve this exercise as we did before with the simple supported beam, using the summation of forces in the horizontal direction equal to 0, summation of forces in the vertical direction equal to 0, and summation of moments equal to 0 around the point A specifically. So this is the free body diagram for this exercise then, and we are going to start with the summation of forces in the horizontal direction. It happened exactly the same as in the exercise before, because there is no any horizontal action on this structure. The reaction in the horizontal direction will be equal to 0. And we can demonstrate that writing the equation of summation of forces in the horizontal direction. So the only force in the horizontal direction we can see in the free body diagrams is the reaction AZ. That has to be equal to 0, is the only possibility to keep the equilibrium in this direction. So we can delete this reaction because there is no an actual value, the value is 0, and we can proceed to calculate the other two reactions, the vertical reaction and the moments at the point A. In the first place, we are going to do the same simplification as we did with the simple supported beam. We are going to transform this UDL, this uniform distributed load, in a punctual load applied in the middle, equal to 30 kilonewtons, because it's 10 kilonewton per meter times 3 meters, the length where the load is applied. And from that point, we are able to determine this distance, 1.4 meters, from 30 kilonewton to the point A, and we can start writing the equations of moments around the point A. So the summation of moment around A starts with the moment produced by 30 kilonewtons, this force in blue, multiplied by the perpendicular distance, 1.5 meters, positive because it's clockwise, so our moment is positive by our convention. The second moment is the moment produced by the punctual load in the middle of the beam, 20 kilonewtons, multiplied by the perpendicular distance to the point A, which is 3 meters. Again, positive because it's clockwise. And this is different from the simple supported beam. Now we have a moment, a reaction as a moment, and this reaction is negative, and this is the reason why you have this minus in here, minus the reaction we don't know yet. All this equation has to be equal to 0. Then rearranging, we find that the moment as a reaction at the point A in the fixed support is equal to 105 kilonewtons per meter. We replace by the value, and now we have this situation where the only unknown in our problem is the vertical reaction for this cantilever beam. We are going to use the summation of forces in the vertical direction in this case to evaluate the value of this vertical reaction. If we do the summation of forces in the vertical reaction, we have two negative forces following our convention in here. Forces that are coming down are negative. So it's minus 30 kilonewton, minus 20 kilonewton, plus AY. AY is a positive force because it's coming up. And all this equation is equal to 0. Rearranging, we calculate the value of this reaction, which is 50 kilonewtons, and that's it. This is the solution in terms of reaction for this cantilever beam. Thank you very much.